Safdarjung's tomb is a beautiful garden tomb not known by many, including the residents of Delhi. It is located at a walking distance from Lodi Garden and is set in the middle of a garden. It represents the last phase of the Mughal style of architecture. Inside the main tomb lie the remains of Nawab of Avadh, Mirza Muqim Abul Mansur Khan, also known as Safdarjung. Nawab Shuja-ud-Daulah, Safdarjung's son, built the tomb in 1754. The tomb of Safdarjung was built in red sandstone and buff stone and has 4 key features: the Charbagh garden plan with the mausoleum at the center, a 9-fold floor plan, a 5-part façade and a large podium with a hidden stairway. The garden of Safdarjung's tomb is laid down on the pattern of the Mughal Charbagh style. Safdarjung's tomb was erected roughly on the pattern of Humayun's tomb. On either side of the Safdarjung tomb are beautiful pavilions known as Moti Mahal, Jangli Mahal and Badshah Pasand. If you are in Delhi and in the vicinity of Lodi Garden, do make it a point to visit Safdarjung's tomb. It has been described as the last flicker in the dying lamp of Mughal architecture of Delhi. You definitely will be charmed by this monument. If you like this video, do like and share this. And if you'd like to see more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.